Okay, that's a nerve. That's in front.
Scan something?
Yeah, I just get my ID.
Excuse me.
I don't have to like type in anything.
I can't. It hurt.
I'm like this.
You is the people.
Mine's is a guy.
Let me
Churro Oreo. Cookies and cream. And then we also got a
I was like the last one and I got that number. I get the biggest double chin when I'm about to burp. Oh, so do you. We gotta evacuate the area. I'm showing the belly. Ew.
That is Laura's cookie. It's a chocolatey dough.
Excuse me, sorry.
Looking at me. I'm like this. I wonder if it's. Let me.
Let us know.
These are our